What if I told you you can make $20,000 every single month with your cleaning business without spending thousands on ads or picking up the phone and making those dreaded cold calls? Sound too good to be true? It's not. I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. I'm Mike Mack, author of the Amazon bestseller, Pick Up Cash, Not Trash. I've also built 2 successful cleaning businesses myself over the last decade. And before I figured this out for myself, I wasted thousands of dollars and many hours trying what everyone says to do, but it didn't work. So I made the mistakes so you don't have to. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna share with you 4 secrets that changed everything for my business, and none of them require cold calling or expensive ads. But first, we must talk about these methods and why they don't work for most cleaning businesses. Most cleaning businesses struggle because they do what everyone else does. Waste money on ads and make uncomfortable cold calls. But here's the truth about ads. They're risky, expensive, and they drain all of your money. Here's a question for you. When was the last time you clicked an ad for a local service? Most people don't. Those people who do are usually just price shopping. Now, I spent over $5,000 on Facebook and Google ads within the first couple of months because I was convinced this would take me to the next level. And what did I get? Well, I got a bunch of people asking me for rock bottom prices and one-time cleans. Okay, that was ads, but what about cold calling? Well, no one likes making those calls and no one likes getting those calls either. But I was committed to succeeding, so I hired people to make cold calls for me, and they dialed hundreds of businesses every single week. And the result? Well, less than 1% said yes just for a walkthrough. And those clients that we did land, they treated us very poorly, and ultimately, we had to give them the axe. Here's what most people are afraid to tell you. When you cold call or run ads, you run the risk of looking desperate. You're essentially telling clients you need them more than they need you. But what if you could flip that coin? What if you had clients coming to you? That's what these 4 secrets are going to help you do. And if you apply them, I guarantee you are gonna have a much smoother path to 20K and beyond with your cleaning service. So let's dive into secret number 1. This is where most cleaning businesses fail, honestly. They try to sell before building any trust. When clients don't trust you, they treat you like you're a commodity. They pick you based on one reason and one reason only. You're the lowest priced. Now, is that the business that you actually want? Do you want to have to rely on being the lowest bid to actually win business? Well, the first secret is all about building trust before a client ever talks to you. Think about how you choose the services you work with. If you need a dentist, a car mechanic, or a doctor, do you just wait around for someone to cold call you? No, you ask friends, you read reviews, you check their website. Your cleaning clients do the same thing. Now, here's a simple way to build that trust. First things first, you need some reviews. Get reviews from every happy client you have. Make it easy for them. Send them a text after a job and say, "Hey Robert, happy with the services? Mind giving us 30 seconds for a quick review?" Here's the link. Now, this is a simple text, and you send it, 7 out of 10 of your clients are gonna respond and they're gonna take care of you. Second thing is, take before and afters of your team's work or have them do it and send them to you. People love seeing results. The third thing is, share tips that show that you know what you're doing. Post things like the right way to clean hardwood floors or 3 spots office cleaners constantly miss. Pretty simple stuff. But if you're like, "Mike, I don't even know any of that stuff," that's fine. Ask ChatGPT. AI is going to be your friend here, okay? But when you start posting this stuff on LinkedIn, after a while, business owners are going to start reaching out to you. Why? Well, because you look like an expert and not just another cleaner. If you're interested in this approach, but you still feel like you need a little bit more information, join my free school community. It has over 1,000 active cleaning business owners helping each other succeed. You're going to learn a lot more there. Link in the description. Now we're back at it with secret number 2. This is how you stand out from the other cleaning businesses. A big problem is a lot of these cleaning companies, they look the same. Boring logos, cheap website, and no personality. Then they wonder why clients treat them like every other cleaning service. If you look exactly the same as everyone else, then they're gonna think you clean like everybody else. So secret number 2 is all about looking professional. And if you want better clients who pay you more money, then you need to look better. When a potential client looks you up, what do they see? Do they see a professional company that looks trustworthy? Or do they see a cheap operation that might cut corners? Sadly, a lot of cleaning businesses look cheap, and that's because they overlook this part of the business. Their website looks old, they use their personal Gmail, and their logo looks homemade. Let me put it that way. Here's what I did differently because I didn't want the same to happen to me, but don't worry, I did it on a budget. I spent about $500 on a good logo and brand, some social media covers, the whole thing. Not thousands, just enough to look real. I made a simple but clean website that focused on results, not just services. So instead of saying, we offer commercial cleaning services, uninspiring, my website said, we help businesses look good and keep employees healthy. I made sure all of our online profiles looked exactly the same logo, same colors, same message. One client called me, this is a fact, we picked you because you actually look like you had your act together. This is a big compliment for us at the time. I want you to think about it like this. If you saw two restaurants, one with dirty, peeling paint coming off the walls, and the other one was spotless and well kept, which one would you trust has the clean kitchen? Your brand sends the same message to clients about how well you're gonna treat their space. So this is a secret you cannot miss. All right, secret number 3 might seem odd because you wanna make $20,000 a month pretty fast, but it's key. I see a ton of cleaning business owners losing these clients just as fast as you get them. So you're in this place where you're constantly chasing new business because they can't keep their current clients happy. I want you to think about it for a second. What's easier, finding new clients all the time or keeping the ones that you have? Simple math, keeping a client for longer means more money without the work. So secret number 3 is all about building relationships that last for years. Here's how. First, you have to make sure that every job is done with high quality and it's consistent. The way to do that is just to train your team well and use checklists. When clients get the same good results every time, they stay forever. The second thing is check in with your clients every so often so they don't have to call you with problems. Now, we called our clients every couple of weeks and asked, hey, is everything going good? And you'd be surprised how simple that is, but it cut down the amount of complaints to a very, very, very low number. Third, go above and beyond just the cleaning. One thing that works so great for us, especially in the beginning, where we would send out these cleanliness reports every 3 months and we'd show them, what needed some extra attention, if there's anything about their space that we thought it would be good if they knew. And it felt kind of cheesy and not necessary in the beginning until we started getting messages like this. One time in particular was with one of our medical clients. Now, this woman was so happy with these reports that she turned around and helped us land 2 other offices. And that brought in an extra $7,200 a month just from one happy client. I didn't have to spend $1 to get these new clients. Remember, a good client isn't just one paycheck. They could be paying you thousands every single month for years and years to come. So do not take secret number 3 lightly. All right, this final secret, it's a game changer. It's where rubber meets the road. But without the first 3, it's kind of useless. And the first 3 are kind of useless without the 4th one. Most cleaning businesses are working too hard chasing small jobs. They think that more clients equals more money, and that's wrong. More clients means more headaches, and often it means less profit. The final secret is all about how you need to focus on only higher paying customers. And you have to be specific and only talk to high paying customers. That's how you're able to pull this off without using ads or cold calling. Because when you focus on these types of clients, you're not gonna have to spend thousands of dollars. Instead, you need to be very targeted and you only need to talk to these clients. While your competition is going out there just shaking hands and kissing babies, they're talking to everyone. You need to focus on them. Now for me, how I got these clients was I made a targeted list. I only focused on them. My targeted list consisted of corporate offices, law offices, car dealerships, private schools. And I started one at a time and I tried to be the end all be all to get their attention. What I like to do instead of those other methods was direct mail, a combination of sales letters and postcards. Postcards because they're jumbo and they are a great billboard for your company, and most people end up sticking them in their top drawer and they're always thinking of you for it. And sales letters because that's how you change minds. You use persuasion. You want to build trust, have a great brand, send a sales letter that's actually persuasive. I'm not talking ChatGPT. I'm talking learn from the greats and get good at it. Could take you some time, but it is worth it because there is nothing like putting a sales letter in front of somebody and really you change a lot of hearts that way, okay? But direct mail, Honestly, it's not something you should just jump into. There are simpler ways, like going on LinkedIn and positioning your company the right way and getting people reaching out to you. Obviously, you want to start making connections with local people, but if you make some good connections and you post quality content, a lot of that you can get on ChatGPT, just helpful tips, not selling your services. It's crazy how it has the opposite effect, and you're going to have people coming to you. LinkedIn is a powerful tool, and I want you to think about it. If you're only going after higher paying customers of $3,000 to $5,000, getting to $20,000 without ads, that's so simple. It's not easy, of course, but nothing worth doing ever is. I've been doing this for years at a very high level. I hate to brag, but it's true. And I've also been helping over 500 entrepreneurs do the same thing with their cleaning businesses. So if you're someone watching to this point in the video, you're obviously very serious about your business and taking it to the next level, or getting it off the ground and then getting it to $20,000 a month. If that is you and you want my help and my team to help you skip the line with your competition and like personally write these letters for you and give you this direct mail selling system, then I want you to click the link below this video and apply to work with us. For everyone else, it is so important that you watch this video right here. Peace out, Cub Scouts.